Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Jim here working on the 1994 Joe Metro. Here we have the third brake light that is currently broken. Yeah. So here it is inside. Taking a look at it. It looks like somebody crazy glued it at one point. Didn't do a very good job because it broke apart again. Looks like they even crazy glued the lens to the housing. There's a gaping hole. Yep, gotta fix that for sure. And there is the part that I need to put on with some plastic welding. Yes, plastic welding with a soldering iron. There's the screws I gotta take off so I can get access to that hole from the other side. Well, ladies and gents, here it is. It's all fixed up, good to go. It does look a little rough, but they do sell proper soldering irons that are meant for plastic welding. They have this tip on it that looks like a little, closing iron, which makes it nice, smooth transitions between the welding spots and the actual pieces of plastic. So that's about as good as it's gonna get, from using a cheapy soldering iron. So let's go ahead and get it installed. It's pretty solid on there, but let's go ahead and get it installed.